Welcome to Turbo App Tutorials. This video will demonstrate how to integrate master data into forms. In this example, we will see how to include the newly created master data, equipment data into a computer inspection form. From the Forms list, click on the inspection form to display the form designer. Click on the Equipment Select component in the form and open its properties. Click on Data and click on the Data Source drop-down. A list of data sources in the system are shown. Choose Master Data option. Deselect the Lazy Load Data checkbox. Since there are only few rows, it's okay to load it all at once. If the number of rows of master data is large, then enable lazy loading so that data is loaded on demand only. Under Master Data, select the equipment's master data entity that we just created. For label property, choose equipment name, as that is what we want to display to inspectors. For value property, choose equipment ID, as that is the value we want to send to the server on form submission. Leave all other values unchanged. Press Save and close the Edit tab. Click on Save to save the changes to the form. Preview and publish it. Click on Preview to view form. A secondary tab will open. Click on the Equipment drop-down and view the equipment master data now. Leave the Preview Form tab and switch back to the Turbo Apps tab. Navigate to the Forms list. Select Data option in the Equipments row to display the equipment added so far. Click the Add Master Data button. Enter a new equipment with the equipment ID as water cooler and equipment name as water cooler and save it. Now switch back to the Preview tab and refresh the page in the browser. Click on the Equipment drop-down now and notice that the newly added master data, water cooler, appears without any changes to the form. Remember to go back to Form Design screen for the computer inspection form and click on the Publish button. Enter a comment and publish it, else this version of the form with master data will not be available for inspectors. Integration complete. The equipment master data is now successfully incorporated into the computer inspection form, promoting data consistency and enhancing user experience. We'll explore the Flow option in Turbo Apps in the next video. Thank you for watching.